Hey guys, welcome back. We are kicking off another vlog this morning, and this is going to be the Bachelorette vlog. So right now it is Friday and I'm about to head out to the airport and we are going to Vegas. So we're going to Vegas Friday through Sunday. We have a lot of things planned. It's going to be amazing and I'm very excited. So we're gonna be bringing you guys along, some clips the phone, some clips the camera, so there will be a slight change of quality throughout the trip, but bear with me because you can't bring your camera everywhere. Also, don't want to lose it. So I'll be doing my best to, oh, I forgot my earrings. Okay, need to grab that. But I've got my hat that I'm going to be wearing on the plane because I don't want it to get smashed in the bag. Also, I have literally no room in the bag because I'm bringing like 6 pairs of shoes. But I have my bag packed right over here. Darren's gonna take me to the airport, but I wanted to pop in and kick off this video. You guys haven't already, don't forget, subscribe below, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get into it. It made it. We have the late check-in. They told me it probably wouldn't make it on the plane, but here it is, guys. Here it is, okay? Time to get our Uber and get to the hotel. I am still in straight up shock that it made it, but we're here. And we're ready to leave. So we are in the second room, and obviously this one's a lot less festive, but we are starting to unpack and get ready, and then the party room. There it is. Right over there, so less eventful, more quiet, so not mad about that. So right now we are going to be changing into the disco outfit, and I did realize that there is no zipper. Like, I have to have someone untie me every time I have to use the bathroom. This could potentially be a major issue, especially if we're drinking. So pray for me. I'm a little worried about it, but I'm like, you know what, we're gonna stay calm. I'm gonna use the bathroom before I put it on. So I think I'm just gonna like spruce myself up and then put on use the bathroom, then put on the outfit. We'll go from there. And we're just gonna stick with the buddy system so that I can use the bathroom. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I've got my Blue Moon. We are at the Chippendale show waiting for it to start. And I've already spilled my beverage on myself and the ground because Alexis scared me. So for some reason they put our group between this row and this one. And then the other group from behind them to behind us. So when they get here, we're gonna see what we can do about switching spots with them. Cheers!
Las Vegas. Let's see how things are looking out here. It's 7:30 right now. Things are looking pretty good. Oh, you can see the Caesar Palace over there. Whoop, we're on the 7th floor. That's kind of high up. So I just got up, and first off, we're just not even gonna address that. The bed is so freaking loud. Like every time you even just like turn your head, it's like, and I'm sharing the bed with Alexis, and then we're sharing the room with the other two girls, and then in here is the bride and maid of honor. We had two girls like drop out last minute. Kelsey got the flu really bad. She's doing okay, but like she's still super sick. And then the other one was health related reasons, also had to cancel last minute. So yeah, it's just a 6 and everything's great, but these beds are so loud. So every time I like turn, I like wake everyone up, and it's like dramatic how loud it is. So then I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get up. And when I got up, oh my gosh, like all the shifting weight of like sitting up and then like pulling yourself out the bed, it was so freaking loud. I pretty much woke everyone up. I felt so bad. So then I tried to go to the couch. The couch in there, as you sit down, same thing. And I was like, what is going on with this furniture? So then I was like, okay, forget it. So I like walked through the little like connecting suite door, and I came in here because Christina's sister, I heard her leave for the gym like 5 minutes ago. So I was like, okay, cool, they're up. And then I heard Christina turn on the shower. So I was like, okay, they're both up. So I'm gonna go hang out in there so I don't wake anyone else up. So now I'm in here. Good morning. Hope you guys are enjoying this video, and I will see you when everyone's awake. All right, early morning coffee run equals no people. This is what I'm talking about. Yesterday there were like 4,000 people in here. I like this much better. I mean, maybe you can ask. Okay, so the gals just got almost, oh, my order is ready. I came over here and got a breakfast sandwich. Okay, so I got fresh black coffee, and then in here I have 2 hash browns and then a little bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. So, looks bomb. We're gonna take it back to the room. Got some napkins in here. We're ready to rock and roll. Perfect way to start my morning. Wake up, do bench. Join them, subsidies, boredom. Working on any more though. I'ma wake up, do bench. Join them, subsidies, boredom. Working on any more though. You see a drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and a giddy up. Secure the back, yeah, get the bucks. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood, all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My love is take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Your squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Happy Sunday morning. Here we are. It looks like it's gonna be kind of a cloudy day. Of course, still burning up. So last night when we got back from dinner, we pretty much cleaned the room. We got rid of all of the decor, got everything back in here, and yeah, we like straightened up. So my room, everyone's still sleeping, but I just showered and now we're gonna get ready for breakfast. So as you guys saw, last night we went to Catch. It was so good, so pretty. Their food was excellent. And then, yeah, after that, our reservation was at 9 p.m. and we were there until 10:30, and then we just came back, cleaned up, and then kind of packed up and went to bed. Right now it's 7:30. So today we are dressing like her fiance. So he loves Coors beer, and he always wears like jeans and cowboy boots. So I'm wearing jean shorts, and then I'm gonna wear my cowboy boots with it. So that's the plan. The brunch place that we were going to go to doesn't do reservations, so we were gonna go and try to like be like a walk-in, but now we're kind of considering that we might just go to the food court, everyone go like get their breakfast, get their coffee, and then we'll just come eat together at one of the tables. So it's kind of gonna depend what time everyone finishes getting ready. Oh my god, I had to use the hotel shampoo and conditioner, and things are not going well for my hair. So I'm gonna bring you guys back when I've made a little progress.
I was so impressed that everything fit in my bag, but I forgot all of this stuff. Oh, let's try again. Good morning. It is Monday morning, the next day. So the last clip you guys saw, we were still in Vegas. So in the morning, we got ready, cleaned up the room, went down to breakfast. I went to the Coffee Bean and I got a vanilla cold brew, but it was different than a usual vanilla cold brew. They had two different types. They had a regular vanilla cold brew with like espresso in it, and then they had a latte, sorry. They had a regular vanilla latte with like espresso in it, and then they had a cold brew vanilla latte, which I've never heard of. So I got it, it was actually really good. And then we went back up to the room, got our stuff, checked out, left our stuff with the concierge, walked over to the Caesars, and we were trying to find this like cigar lounge. The bride had really wanted to get one from there, couldn't find it, but we did find the Vanderpump bar. And that was somewhere that she had really wanted to either eat or get a drink, but we couldn't get any reservations for the days that we were there. But when we were walking by, they were just opening up and they were like empty. So she was like, oh my gosh, we gotta go. So we went in and got a drink nice and early in the morning. It was like 10:30 a.m. And it was a little aggressive, but we did it, we managed. And so she was very happy. And then on our way out, as we were running late, like power walking back to the hotel to get our stuff and get a taxi to the airport, of course, we walked past the cigar place that she wanted to go to, but it was too late. So we just walked on past. And then, yeah, we flew home. So flight was pretty smooth. Once we got on the plane, unfortunately, we were like backing out of the gate, and then the pilot got a call that a connecting Southwest flight was running late. So we stayed there, everyone boarded, for honestly like 40 minutes waiting for those passengers and then their luggage. So we thought that our flight was gonna be on time. We were super excited, everything was going swell, and then we ended up having to wait like 40 minutes. I've literally never had a flight wait for me. So peanut butter and jealous, like I don't know how these people got the flight to wait from. Like we need to start doing that more frequently. I mean, not that I loved being on the plane, but I really hate being left behind, you know? So yeah, we did that. Got home, and then yesterday we got pizza, and then we watched the new Stephen Greer movie. So Stephen Greer, he's super known for like UFO and like alien type of documentaries. He's the guy that briefs like even like the president, the White House on all of kind of like the Black Ops programs around like cover-ups and things like that. And he's the one that, yeah, literally like debriefs the president. So he's the real deal, and his documentaries are super, super good. He has Disclosure and like one other one. I believe they're on Netflix. They're for sure on Amazon. I think they're on Netflix. If you're interested in that kind of stuff, go look it up. Stephen Greer, really, really good. But he just came out with another one, which I thought was also like alien and like disclosure related. However, this one was all about also like cover-ups and stuff, but like of energy
and like propulsion system type stuff. And it was really interesting, and it super tied into like kind of like some like global crises and stuff. And yeah, it was still good. That one was on Amazon. So if you guys have any interest in that, it was good, but it was not what I was expecting, because I thought that it would be in line with like his other documentaries, and this was a bit of a pivot, but still really good. And then, yeah, went to bed, and I got up extra early this morning because I thought that I would be moving super slow and sluggish because it was just like go, go, go weekend. But surprisingly, I moved at normal speed, and now I'm ready over 30 minutes early for work. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna pop in, do a little clip for you guys. I have consumed majority of my coffee already, which is why I'm seeming pretty awake, because you guys, I'm feeling pretty awake. A lot more than I thought I would be. I am feeling rather unmotivated for work, and working the entire week honestly sounds terrible, but that is my future. So we're gonna make the most of it. There was something else that I really wanted to, oh my gosh, okay. So this Vegas trip was honestly like, I think one of the best Vegas trips that I've been on so far. So on most of the Vegas trips I've been on, like one or more people get like super drunk and are like either just acting ridiculous or are like uncooperative or start crying or running away, and like it creates drama. This time, like people got like, we got like a little bit of a buzz, things were fun, we're all having a good time, but no one got super drunk, no one. And no one was like, when the bride was like, I want to do something, no one's like, I'd rather do this, I'd rather do that, or I'll hang back. Because I don't know why, but that happens on every Vegas trip I go to, and it's such a buzzkill. And this time the bride was like, I want to do something. Everyone's like, okay, let's go. Like, it was so nice, and the whole group stuck together the whole time. Everyone was on the same vibe, and just overall, it was nice. And then we didn't do any clubs. Clubs are not my vibe. So we were in bed by like 11:30 one night, the other night like 12:30. And so we got to have like a full night of sleep. Like, it was really nice. Like, that was like my Vegas vibe. So overall, loved the weekend. I'm sorry I didn't get too many clips. I had really wanted to, but the issue is that these gals, like, well, first off, I want to be present for, you know, my friend's batch trip, but also these gals aren't like super present on like social media. They don't vlog, like they don't post to Instagram too often, and like respecting other people's like privacy and things like that, but also trying to get content for you guys. Like, I always feel like I'm kind of on like this thin line trying to like balance the two, because like I don't want like invasion of privacy. I just don't want people to feel uncomfortable or get annoyed with me that I'm like recording things. But I also want to like bring you guys along and document and like vlog, and I love that. So it's always kind of tricky. I know zero influencers, so I feel like I don't vlog a whole lot when I'm with my friends, but I would love to. I think I need to just talk to them and see like who's comfortable with it and like go from there, because right now I just assume that no one's comfortable with it. So maybe they are though. Anyway though, I popped in this morning because I wanted to just kind of catch you guys up on what happened, and then sign off the video. So let's do it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you've made it this far, also consider potentially subscribing if you haven't already. If you have any feedback for me, feel free to leave it in the comments below. If you have any videos that you want me to make, let me know in the comments below. I love making content that you guys like, and yeah, I think that's it. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.